this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, do-it-yourself, natural shampoo that's great for your hair, and it's also great for your scalp. It uses essential oils. It uses lavender and rosemary. Both of these essential oils are very good for your hair and your scalp. Rosemary has actually been thought that it may be able to help you actually regrow your hair if your hair's falling out. So it's just a great all-around shampoo to help keep your scalp healthy. So let's get started making this shampoo. Okay, our first step in making this shampoo, I'm going to go ahead and put in a half a cup of Castile soap. Alright, half a cup of Castile soap. We're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. This is going to help it lather up in your hair, and it also is good moisturizer for your scalp. And then we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. This is fractionated coconut oil. It's not the coconut oil like you buy at the grocery store that's solid. This is the liquid oil like we use for massage. It's very good for your hair, especially for dry hair, but it's good all around for your hair and your scalp. So the next thing I'm going to do is put in 10 drops of vitamin E oil. This acts as a preservative, and it's also good for your scalp. Now, we're going to put in 10 drops of our lavender essential oil. This is the lavender essential oil that we sell in our shop. It smells really good, and like I said, it's also great for your hair. So 10 drops of lavender. And like I say, the other essential oil we use in this is our rosemary essential oil. It's very good for your scalp, good for your hair, and it can also help regrow hair, is what the research is starting to show. So we're going to put in 10 drops of that. And then our last step here is just to top it up with Castile soap. And I'm going to try to do this without spilling it everywhere. Hopefully I'm not going to make a big mess. You want to leave a little bit of head space there so you can mix it up. And there we are. Just a couple of minutes. We've probably got a month's worth of shampoo here. Then you want to just gently back and forth to mix everything up. And you'll want to do this whenever you take your shower, just to make sure everything's mixed up in case it separates a little bit. And there you have it. A quick do-it-yourself homemade shampoo that's really great for your hair, great for your scalp, and it'll save you a ton of money over buying shampoo at the grocery store. So try this out. Let me know how it works for you. Be sure and like our Facebook page, and be sure and like our YouTube channel so we can keep bringing you these videos. And we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.